Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Barbara from the Jewelry Pirate Channel, and I'm back with another of our special dollar sales. So before we get started, I just wanted to show you, I forgot this when I went through the other video the other day. Um, this was something that I had aside for a long time, um, and it was missing the pin. So I had taken a pin off of something else, probably uh, when I got sick, and I was going to put it on here, and I lost the pin, and I kind of put this to the side because you have to, when you turn around, you're going to redo the pin. One, you need to have both parts here. You need to have the part that the pin slides into on this side, and also the part that the end of the pin goes in, and then you got to find the right size. And it took a while. That's why whenever you have, as long as you have this part and this part, and you can find a pin that the size matches good, um, save the pins that you have, because you're going to find one that's going to fit into one of these um, things. Now, if you find something that's very special and the pins are gone, you can remove this, and then depending on what the age of this is, you can and take another one that's a glue-on one off of something. You have to do it carefully. I usually take it and put it in an ultrasonic to get it to loosen up, because they're glue-on types, and might run it through a couple times and then take it off, and then I can glue it on. But this is the ultimate, when both parts are here and you just need the pin. So remember that if you do have a brooch that has both parts, keep on the lookout for the pin. And I repaired this, and it works absolutely beautiful now. So this is very pretty. It's a lady. She's got a dove on her hand. It's pure costume. It's very large. Um, this is another one of the things that's available, but it's not part of this sale. So I just wanted to show you that, because, as I go along and I'm doing these fixing, repurposing, showing you things that can be fixed, cannot be fixed. I forgot that I had done this already, so I wanted to show you that. Okay? If you ever have any kind of questions about anything that you see that I've repaired, feel free to leave a comment or message me, okay? And I will try to be as helpful as I possibly can. All right. So let's get going with this batch of buck jewelry, and we'll see what we have here. Okay, I gotta make room because we're gonna be putting stuff over here. All right, this is kind of neat. I like the way that this was done. This is all concentric circles. Every, woo! Every one of these moves, and this is what you move here to make. Yeah, you can make it shorter. You can bring both of those down, put it on, and bring these both on. It will hold this in place. So much stuff that you can do with this. This is really pretty, really nice. This is not chintzy. This is the front. The center ring has rhinestones in it, and I think they're all there. And it's got the black cord. Okay, that's one. We've got quite a few in this batch. I'm going to try to get through it as fast as I can. Ooh. I don't know what these dogs ate, but it's horrible. Okay. Now, sometimes when you see a necklace like this, and you're not real thrilled with the pendant that's on it, always take a look and look at the chains. Chains sometimes are hard to come by. Now this chain, I'm pretty sure the hole is big enough that stuff will be able to come through it. And let's see, oh yeah. So all you have to do, basically, let's see, we got this side. This here, what you'd have to do is you'd have to open up this jump ring. Okay, very carefully. Take this off and then pull the chain through and put the jump ring back on. But this is a really super nice chain. And for a buck, you can't beat it. I like it. I like it a lot. Now that I'm looking at it. All right. And if you like the pendant, it's a nice summery pendant. You can wear that. We have another. This one's glass, rosary beads. Pretty sure it's glass. Maybe not. Let's see. It's got on here. I'm not sure if it's Italy or not. Let me see if it's on this one. This has just got a Blessed Mother here. This is very pretty. This is blue. Really nice cross. It doesn't say anything about this one being blessed, but if you're a very strong Catholic and you go to church every week or occasionally, all you have to do is bring this up to the priest at the end of Mass and have him bless it for you. All right, this one here, this is really pretty. This is your center of the bracelet, and all the stones are there. And it's not stretch. It's lobster claw clasp. Very pretty. These are like a moon glow or a cat's eye. And it even has a, this will fit anybody because it does have a an extender on it. So this is very pretty, in great condition. Oh, this heat's got to stop. All right, let's go over here and grab this. Let's see what we got here. I think there's a mixture in this load as far as silver and gold. This one here, this has got a nice extender on it because you have a lot of places that you can put your lobster claw in. This is all leaves, and it goes like that. And like I said, for $1, I'm not doing a lot of measuring. This is a longer necklace. If you have questions about any of the things in here, let me know. Oh, by the way, what I've done on the first video, the items that are claimed in these videos, what I'm doing is down in the description box, I'm putting the numbers, what it is that they were claimed already, so that you, you know, when you send me a text or whatever, I know what's going on. You know, this way you know what's going on and what's still available. Okay, so we have this really pretty leaf necklace, long. You can't beat these for $1. I mean, think about these as, you know, you got some kids, they want to play with some jewelry. You can turn around and use these for that. You know, you got a gift. Most of these are in really great shape, and I usually tell you if it isn't. This is a really nice big. This is pretty heavy. Nice big heart. There is a little wear on this, but close up, you'd have to put your face, you know, right up to it for somebody to see it. Another very nice long chain. It has a lobster claw clasp. I'll put this on here. Okay. Now you have choice. You can take and use the chain separately. You can use them together. Or because this is so big, you might want to take and put this on a different kind of a chain, maybe a shorter chain so it would hang closer up to the bottom of your neck. It's a very nice heart. Okay. Now remember, all this jewelry has been cleaned and packaged in these plastic bags. And what do we have here? Let us see. This is nice. This is 4 chains necklace. You can see this. This is very pretty. And you have leaves up here at the top. Has a hook closure. I don't see anything written on it. And you have 4 chains. And what I think happened here is that nobody's going to see it because it's in the back of your neck, but I'm pointing it out to you, is that one of these broke. I will put it in here. This is also something good to have if you just need some chains. One of these broke. So somebody hooked it on the hook onto this one here. So on one side it's hooked 4 times. This side it's hooked 3. All right. Nobody wants it. I'll send it over to the thrift. But it's a very, very nice necklace. And it's all together and it's very wearable. This is heavy, whatever this is. I guess we're in a series of hearts right now. Oh wow, look at this. This is some necklace for $1. Lobster claw clasp. Got a extender with a bead on the end. And here's what you got. You've got rhinestone heart. Rhinestone heart, rhinestone heart. You've got a locket with some rhinestones in it. And then you have a key. And then you've got a puppy heart. And I can't really do this, but yes, this key would be the right size for that. So very, 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 very nice necklace. What you could do with this also is if you needed this chain for any particular thing, and this is a really good chain, you could take this off of here and put a clip on it and use this as a purse charm. It's really nice, but it's really nice on the necklace. So, but if you need a necklace and you want a long one, this is a good chain for that. Okay. Now, this is very pretty. Somebody should snatch this up. Look at this. I can't believe I'm selling this for $1. It's all shell. These are all glass. I don't see a name on it. This looks like it's never been worn. Really beautiful. And you're going to wear it as such. Here's the back. Somebody's spent a lot of time wiring this. I don't know if this is artisan made. Somebody put some really good beads in here. So this is a very, very, very nice necklace. Please, somebody take this and give it a home and wear it because it is beautiful. We're getting there. We're getting down. Now I have different things. This is mostly necklaces and bracelets, and I'm not sure I'm going to find any pendants or anything in here or not. Here's a little rhinestone. I think it's a fold-over clasp bracelet in gold. Yeah, it says something on here. Let me see what it says. It's an Avon bracelet, and this has got blue and clear, so it would be like a sapphire. And it's with a spring ring clasp. And how it's signed, I would say it's not a newer piece, especially with the spring ring clasp. And this is very, 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 very delicate. Very beautiful. Nice piece of Avon. Wow. And it's amazing me what I'm pulling out of this box that was underneath the computer here. Okay. This is multiple chains. This has got, I think, every color chain you could possibly imagine on here. You have, this is a dark brass. You have a copper, black. This is a strand of rhinestones, silver. And there's silver here with dangles off of it. There's gunmetal, and I'm not sure, but well, there's a single one here, this here also. And I think that's it. So, and they vary in length. Very, very pretty. Can't beat this for $1. I mean, if you really wanted to take this apart, you would have, what, 7 necklaces that you could hang your pendants and things off of. It's a bargain. I hate to see it get broken up like that, but hey, you got to do what you got to do. All right, so what do we have here? This is pretty. I'm amazed at what's in this box. This is a fold over. I don't see a signature. And it's all rhinestones. I don't see anything so far missing. Really pretty. You can see that. Very beautiful. Okay. Now I'll probably have a couple videos or maybe one video with a couple of items on it that are going to be a little bit more. Like this one here should have not been in this lot, but it is. And this here is glass, rhinestones, and gemstones. Not gemstones. Excuse me, yes, gemstones, not rhinestones. It's got glass beads. It's got tiger eye. It's got these beautiful, these are ceramic. They look like little Saturns with the ring going around them. And this is a nice piece for $1. Fall's coming. Beautiful. Everything on here is either gemstones, ceramic, or glass. Beautiful. I see another cha-cha necklace right here. So everybody, please do me a favor if you're enjoying the video and you are not a member, well, a member of the family as far as subscribing, please think about subscribing. Also, don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Hit all so that you get all the notifications. Comment. Let me know what you'd like to see. Let me know what you liked in the video. Just because you like something doesn't mean you have to buy it, but I always like feedback. And if you have friends that enjoy seeing jewelry videos, please share the video with them. This is a cha-cha. Put it on this wrist. This is a real cha-cha piece. It's not copper and it's not gold. Maybe a dark bronze. These are all acrylic, but what a fun bracelet this is. And look at this is the cloth covered elastic, so you know it's going to last a heck of a lot longer. And remember, everybody, when you turn to take and put your jewelry on like this one here won't be affected as much, but it still would be over time. Don't, whatever wrist you put this on, don't put perfume or lotions on it. This is so cute. Okay. Okay, we have this. I don't know who this is, Miss Made in China, but if you like seahorses, this is an oval, and it's a teal. All the way, each one of these is brand new. It's in the package. I'm not taking it out because even if I took it out, it's attached to the card. These are all seahorses going around it on a silver. No wear, no nothing. Very nice. I don't see. It just says fashion something there. Nice piece. This is a really nice, I think. Let me see. These are gritty. These pearls. They almost look like the style of Haskell pearls, but they're all different shapes. I'm looking for, let's see, here we go. This is really nice. Who's going to be the first one that's going to grab this necklace for a buck? Look at the quality of these pearls. They're all different. They've got nice coloring on them. You can see the imperfections in the pearls. Just really nice. Long necklace. Let's see here. It's really beautiful. Okay. You can't beat that for $1. This is nice too. I need my head examined. Okay. I just got so much stuff here. Okay, this is another really nice necklace. It's got 2 rope chains, antique, and then you have this chain here, the thin one. It's got a lobster claw clasp. They're all hooked up. The longest, I think, is this one here. Is the shortest, and then you have this one. Very pretty. It's got some weight to it. It's not a cheap piece. This is interesting here. This is a nice pendant. This is one of the black things here. Let's see this. There we go. All the beads on this are all separate. They're very fluid. This is really nice, ladies and gents. Very pretty pendant and very pretty necklace. Well, $1. $1. Okay. This is beautiful. Got a special occasion you're going to? I'm going to lay this out so I show you, make sure you know it's all okay. Look at how pretty this is. This is all different colors of purple. Even these clear ones are purple. You have smaller ones here that are purple. Even these small ones here, they're purple. I don't see anything missing. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous statement piece, and not a cheap piece. Very pretty. All right. This is a nice pendant, nice chain. Oh, come on, give me a chance here. See if this has anything on it. I don't see nothing on this. This has got a ring. Now, the only thing I see with this is there's a little hoop here. And what would be nice, this is old, it's a spring ring clasp. Very nice chain. No wear on the plating, but you could take and hang a bead from here. I don't think I have anything, but you know, like if you had something like this, you know, you could hang it in the middle there. I'm looking for something which would be appropriate. This is just, in fact, you could actually take an earring and hang it in here, and it would look really wonderful. So, anyway, you got to think outside the box. When you're looking at this dollar jewelry, think of all the stuff that you have and the different things that you can use along with these. And again, if you don't like that pendant, you got a wonderful chain. Now here's another one that shouldn't be in here. This is beautiful. This is all rhinestones. There's nothing missing. These are all glass beads, and these are strung seed beads. It's a beautiful necklace. Look at the sparkle. This definitely shouldn't be in here. What are you doing, Barbara? You're not checking these things before you're putting them in the pile. Listen to this voice. I can't deal with this voice. Freaking heat is killing me. Another nice chain. Sort of a southwestern look. It's got the southwestern feathers, and it's got a little bit of a bead there and a very nice chain. And it's got a spring ring clasp. older piece. Okay. We're just about done. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is really pretty. And this has got some kind of a tag on it. Oh, Charming Charlie's. So can you see that? Very, very delicate chain. It's got a little thing here coming down. This will be a Y. And got the bead here that just hangs down. This would be a good one that you could wear with the spark edge in your back. Very pretty. So what this is. I think this is all glass. Another nice black necklace. And this here, this is LC. This Claiborne. Another one I think Sue would like. Very pretty. Can't believe how much I put out here this time. It's way too much. Way too much. Okay, what do we got here? This is rose gold color. Oh, how pretty. Here we have a rose. And my chain. Rhinestone in the middle of the rose. $1. Come on, folks. Some of this stuff has never been on anybody. You can give it as gifts. Okay, what do we got here? Here's a lobster claw. Well, it's got the piece that hangs down. 3 strands. And then it's got the piece that hangs down here. Again, you could make a couple of necklaces out of this. You've got 2 lobster claw clasps here. I don't know. 3 more. Here's another big one. Oh, look at this. Look at how pretty this is. This one here, you just tie it. And you got 2 tassels. And you got the nice type rope chain. Great condition. Very pretty. Dress me up type necklace. Okay, and then we have this. This is a little bracelet with a hang. I think that this is beads that are all braided. It's very delicate, very beautiful, has a purplish cast to it. I don't know, it's just a pretty, very pretty bracelet. Okay, our last thing. I don't know whether to call it a cha-cha. It's not your typical cha-cha, but you could do the cha-cha thing with your hand with this. This is a stretch. Okay, you can see it in here. And now with these, you got to get it on, and you got to move it around on your wrist because you don't want it to get it caught on Can you believe this is just $1? I can't. You don't want to get this where you want to make sure that it spins around after you put it on, because you don't want it to pinch your skin. Very nice. Okay, everybody. That's the end of the video. So, I hope that you find something in here that rocks your boat, or floats your boat, or interests you. Remember, everything is $1. That's in plastic bags. If I show anything out of the plastic bags, those are the ones that are, like I showed you the Cameo. It's a little bit different, so. But there you go, big pile for you to choose from. Don't forget, if you're interested in anything, you can text me and put the please description of the bracelet and the timestamp in the email, and I will put them in a bucket for you. And when I'm done with this box, and there's another one that we've got a few things in it too, then I will let you know what you're gonna owe. So anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And don't forget, please comment, please share, please hit the notification bell, and by all means, like I said many times, most people are watching the video, they're not subscribed. It doesn't cost you anything, and it sure helps me out a lot. Please subscribe to the channel. Okay, everybody. Love you guys. Take care. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.